So what is order flow trading? Order flow trading is simply a way of looking at the market and trade on the same side with the institutional bank order flow. The bank and the institutional order traders, these are the big traders. They can move the price, they can manipulate the market due to the size of their order. But due to their size, they also have their own problem when they want to execute an order. Basically, they cannot trade the way we as a retail trader trade. We can look at any currency, any price level, and then if we want to buy, we just put in a buy order. Big order trader, when they look at the chart, they can't just simply go and buy at whatever price they want. Because if they do that, they were not able to fill their positions at the level at they want. For example, let's say we have the current price is here. The big institution trader want to buy here and they expect price to come here in the future. So they say they have $100 million they're going to buy, but they cannot just simply put their buy order here and expect the price to expect all these 100 million buy order to fill at this price level, and then the price took off like this. It will not happen, because if they put in 100 millions of buy order over here, and if there is no counterparty, which is the sell order, equivalent sell order, that is available to sell at this level, what is going to happen is this 100 million buy order will push the price up very fast. You will see market simply just gap up very fast, because when you suddenly have such a big, huge order enter the market maker has to look for a counterparty sell order to meet this buy order. Now, if they are not able to find enough sell order to meet the buy order, they will leave the price up very fast, and therefore we see the price gap up very, very fast. And what is likely going to happen is the institutional trader, they were unlikely to fill their order at this price, let's say 86.40. Maybe they'll get the order filled, some partial order filled at this price, 8,900, and the price gap up again. So being professional in this business, they know that they're going to buy here. They want to buy at this low price. They are not going to buy at this mid price or even at this high price. So what else can they do? What else can they do in order to buy in this amount of 100 million buy order? So in order to get their order filled at almost at the same level as they wanted, what the big institution order trader they need to do is they will accumulate. Example over here, they will start accumulating their order. They buy and sell, buy and sell, buy. They sell at the same time they buy, and then they sell, they buy, they sell, they buy. So they are actually doing accumulations. We call this accumulations. So for the big institution trader, if they want to move the price, they cannot just come in to buy, just like what retail trader we can do it. They have to go through a phase of accumulation if they are buying, and they have to go through a phase of distributing if they are selling. Because if they are selling, let's say they intend to sell over here at this level, 9,100. Now, if they have 100 million a big sell order that they want to offload at this level, they can't just simply put the sell order there, because if they do that, the price will just drop like a rock, and they were not able to sell at this high price and end up that they have to sell at the low price. They will not want to do that. So what the banks and the institutional order trader is going to do is they will go through a phase of distributing. So they are buying at the same time they are selling. So when they sell, the price start to move lower, they start to buy to push the price up. So sometimes when they start selling, the price start to come down, and they stop selling. By stop selling, the price will stop moving lower, right? And a little bit of buying, the price might just go up. So this is what we call distributing, right? So in order for them to offload their positions, they need to distribute. And all this, whether it is accumulations or whether it's distribution, is a series of high and low, that it will take time. And as it is during this phase of distributing and accumulating the smart money, the banks is going to manipulate the price and take out those buyer who enter buy over here before the price took off, right? Or the bank will want to take out those seller who enter the sell early here before the price fall, right? So the intention is to get rid of all these trader who already position themselves long here before the price goes up. So understand that this is the limitations of the big banks to execute their order and how they approach the market. So when we talk about order flow trading, what we simply say is we know how these big banks are doing, how they enter the market, how they move the price, and we are going to position ourselves alongside on the same side with them.